Hi, this is Yoshi. Okay, week 3, you will have the 5 lectures, 3 flowers, and 2 important skills called Nakawareori and Kasaneori. Lecture 14 is a morning glory. Morning glory is a flower which blooms in summer in Japan. Use a square-shaped paper and fold rectangle, valley folding, and fold rectangle from other direction, another valley folding, unfold and fold diagonal to make a big triangle. This is a mountain folding. The colored side is on top. This is exactly what you learned in mountain folding and valley folding. And you can make a square like this instantly. Then now fold a long triangle. The closed end of square is the sharp side. And you will make these long triangle for 4 of them for each corners, each side. This is the third one, and this is going to be the fourth one. So this is what you have at this stage. Then fold a sharp end towards the thin triangle side. Like this. Now you need the scissors. Cut the top of triangle part, the thin side, and cut round shape. Try to make as round as possible. And then open the cut area. So flowers of morning glory will look like this. Now let's see how in the video, the supplement video, valley folding, rectangle into half, square into half, unfold and fold a rectangle from the other end, from other direction, unfold and fold big triangle, unfold, this is a very useful technique, please remember. This technique is going to be used to fold cranes or kissing cranes. Okay, fold a long triangle. The sharp end of triangle is the closed side. So you do 4 of them. So do 4 of them is quite, frequently comes up. Okay, fold. And use scissors. Cut around. Now open this cut area and it will become a flower. It will become a flower. So please compare this as a real morning glory. Okay, lecture 14 is done. The next is tulip. See you.